Voox is a dynamic cryptocurrency trading platform designed to make digital asset trading more accessible to everyone. One of its standout features is copy trading, which allows users to automatically replicate the strategies of experienced traders. This innovative approach opens the door for individuals, even those with limited trading knowledge, to potentially earn passive income. By following skilled traders, users can benefit from their expertise and market insights. Copy trading on Voox simplifies the trading process, making it easier for newcomers to participate in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies. Copy trading is a method that allows users to automatically mirror the trading strategies of experienced investors. On Voox, this process is simple and accessible. Users can choose a lead trader whose performance and approach align with their own goals. Once selected, every trade made by the lead trader is automatically replicated in the follower's account, either by investing a fixed amount per trade or by matching a set ratio of the lead trader's positions. This seamless replication ensures that even beginners can benefit from the expertise of seasoned traders. By leveraging copy trading, users have the opportunity to earn passive income while learning from real-time market decisions. Voox offers two distinct copy trading modes to suit different investment preferences. In fixed amount mode, users allocate a specific amount of funds to each trade they copy, ensuring consistent investment regardless of the lead trader's order size. This approach provides greater control over individual trade exposure. On the other hand, fixed ratio mode allows users to mirror the lead trader's orders proportionally. Here, the amount invested in each copied trade is directly tied to the size of the lead trader's position, enabling followers to scale their investments up or down in line with the trader's activity. Both modes are designed to give users flexibility in managing risk and aligning their strategies with their financial goals. Margin mode. Synchronization is a feature designed to align the trading strategies of followers with those of their chosen lead traders. When this feature is enabled, every copied trade automatically adopts the same margin settings, including leverage and margin mode, as the lead trader's original order. This ensures that followers' positions mirror not just the trade direction and size, but also the risk profile and exposure intended by the lead trader. By maintaining consistency in margin settings, the feature helps followers achieve results that closely match those of the traders they are copying. This alignment is crucial for executing complex strategies and managing risk effectively in volatile markets. Voox's profit-sharing system offers a unique incentive for experienced traders. Lead traders can earn up to 30% commission from the profits generated by their followers through copy trading. This arrangement rewards skilled traders for sharing their strategies and encourages them to maintain consistent performance. For followers, it means access to proven trading approaches while aligning their interests with those of the lead traders. The profit-sharing model creates a collaborative environment where both parties benefit from successful trades. By participating in this system, traders and followers alike can work towards mutual financial growth. Voox has formed a strategic partnership with YYG DAO to elevate the trading experience for its users. Through this collaboration, traders gain access to exclusive market analysis and expert trading strategies, offering valuable insights into the ever-changing cryptocurrency landscape. The partnership also brings a wealth of educational resources designed to help both beginners and experienced traders deepen their understanding of market trends and trading techniques. By integrating these tools directly into the Voox platform, users are empowered to make more informed decisions and continuously improve their trading skills. This initiative reflects Voox's commitment to supporting its community with the knowledge and resources needed to navigate the complexities of crypto trading. When engaging in copy trading, it's important to recognize that while the strategy can offer opportunities for passive income, it also carries inherent risks. Market conditions can change rapidly, and even the most successful traders can experience losses. Copying another trader's strategy does not eliminate the possibility of financial setbacks. It's crucial to thoroughly research lead traders, understand their trading styles, and assess your own risk tolerance before committing funds. Remember, past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Responsible trading means setting clear investment limits, staying informed, and being prepared for both gains and losses. By approaching copy trading with caution and awareness, you can make more informed decisions and better manage potential risks. Voox's copy trading feature opens the door for users of all experience levels to engage confidently in the cryptocurrency market. By allowing individuals to mirror the strategies of seasoned traders, it offers a unique pathway to potentially earn passive income. The platform's flexible modes and margin synchronization ensure that followers can align closely with the approaches of their chosen experts. With access to educational resources and transparent profit sharing, users are empowered to make informed decisions while benefiting from the expertise of top traders. Ultimately, Voox makes it easier than ever to participate in crypto trading, combining professional guidance with the opportunity for financial growth.